All right, so special thanks to 9Digital for sending us their new Bone Conduction Sport headphones. Now, this is a remake on the original model, so these are the upgraded version. Their logo on top, lightweight design, take it where you go easily. Their logo on bottom, open ear design, comfort and safety to wear. And then the back just talks a little bit about bone conduction. So as you can see, the way the earbuds sit, they don't sit in the ear, they sit right outside of the ear. Now the charging time is about 1 to 2 hours, and you should get about 6 to 8 hours of use out of these. They only weigh 33 grams, so that's nothing. Let's open them up and take a look at them. Look at that, made for sport. Again, thanks to 9Digital. They sent me their original model and wanted me to make a video on this one also. So right on top is the user's guide. So everything you should need to know is right here, but better, a little safer for your ears as well with these. Now there is an included USB-C type cable for charging, some earplugs, so you can put these in your ears to plug up your ears so you can hear these a little better. And then all that's left is the actual headphones. And that's it for the box. So these are the Bone Conduction headphones. Like I said, these sit just in front of your ear, and so your ear will be wide open to any sounds outside. That's what these are for. Your charging ports here on the bottom, as well as a plus and minus button to control the devices. And there is a button right here. Nothing on this side at all. I like that they're together. You ain't got to worry about having two separate things to keep track of, and a very, very light design. So these are even better for, honestly, if you're doing yoga or some type of workout where you need to hear somebody else. You can have these on, listen to your music or whatever, and also be able to hear them tell you what you got to do in yoga class. So 9Digital on each side, and that's really it for the branding. So that'll do it for this unboxing of these 9Digital Bone Conduction headphones. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to 9Digital for sending me this upgraded 2022 pair of Bone Conduction headphones. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.